talk about. But it's filled with love that's born with puppies around, and a gluten-free chicken fry, cold wine on Friday night, your pants and feel just right, and the radio, whoa, 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 waking at sunrise, see the love in my puppy's eyes. He is my precious child, and all mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Wagging tails to me time and talking on your clothes. My darling time brings peace of mind, and this I don't know. So if you agree, have a drink, baby, raise your glasses for a toast, for a gluten-free chicken pie, cold wine on Friday night, your pants and fit just right, and the radio, whoa, 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 waking at sunrise, see the love in my puppy's eyes. He is my precious child, and our mother's love. But I'm grateful for my life, and for those puppy eyes. He is the perfect guy for me. The sweet little puppy cries fill my heart and give me life. Replace the pain and strife with the things I love, like a gluten-free chicken pie, cold wine on Friday night, yoga pants and fit just right, and the radio, whoa, 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 waking at sunrise, see the love in my puppy's eyes. He is my precious child, and all mother's love.